After I have changed the interior light of the Volkswagen Mii up from halogen to LED, it is now time to change the trunk light from halogen to LED. So let's get started. To change the trunk light, this light, you need some kind of plastic tool. A credit card can also do the trick. You need to pull it a little bit here and pop it gently like this, then pull it like this. There's a connector here that you need to press and remove the light. This is the light itself. The whole plastic is homogen, it's one piece, and the metal cover is the other piece. You can see here where the metal is hooked to the plastic. There are two knobs on each side. So what I found, the most easiest way to open it is just to use a flat screwdriver and bend a little bit the metal cover like this, and do the same on the other side. And the metal part will just pop up, and this is the halogen light. So let's replace it with the LED. To remove the bulb from the light, you need a flat screwdriver or something that can just pull the bulb out of its holder. Put it gently, and the bulb just pop from the holder. I will replace it with this kind of LEDs. They are the same as my interior lights. The link to these LEDs you can find in the description below. To place the LED into the holder, you just need to slide it like this. Like this. Make sure that these cables here have a contact. You can see that this is not in the contact with this terminal, so I'll just pull it a little bit and make sure that it is contacting the terminal. So this is how you place the LEDs. I will test them because there's a difference. You can put the LED only one way. If you put it the other way, the LED will not light up. So if you plug here the connector and it doesn't light up, you just need to rotate the LED in the other position. It is now time to test the LED light and connect it to the connector. I'll just put the connector here. You can see that the LED is working. If it doesn't work, you just need to remove it and rotate it the other way. So in order to let me first remove the connector, and it needs to be pressed on the both ways in order to be released from the bulb. So don't forget to put the metal cover. I'll just press it a little bit so that it sticks with the bulb, and you need to gently press it, and you can see that it's fitting pretty well. Now let's connect again the connector. this. To put back the LED, you need to put it like this, and then put it back. Maybe you need a screwdriver just to pop here the places where is holding the connector to this plastic. So here is the LED replacement. This is the trunk light when it is in halogen, and this is how it looks with the LED replacement. You can see that one is more lighter than the other and more brighter, and this is the LED, and of course it is more less power consuming than the halogen light. So that's it from me for this video. If you like it, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you soon.